Safety and hygiene have been the most important lessons that we've learned from this COVID-19 pandemic. It is good to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Presenting you, people's trusted Neox-G chlorine dioxide fumigation sachet, to keep your surroundings safe from bacteria and viruses like swine flu, corona and many other infectants. Neox-G can be used in homes, offices, hotels, schools, malls, clinics, hospitals and other public spaces. It is made from food-grade materials and is safe to use. All you have to do is close your space and control all the air ventilation. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask, and mix the Neox-G and activator in a small bowl with 25 milliliters of water, which will release CO2 gas. Leave the room empty for about 1 to 2 hours. Then, open the windows and make way for the air circulation, and that's it. Let's fight this COVID-19 together and keep our surroundings clean. To get Neox-G, reach us at Lakshmi Polymers or simply give us a call to +91 944 406 9760.